question, Attorney Paulo. Nagkaso ng perjury case si Attorney Mans, criminal case against BSP, AMLC, etc. For congressmen for the disclosure. Ang question ko, because you're the lawyer, VP Sara, and you filed a perjury case against Madriaga, and tinatanong to ng mga pinklawan, hindi ba kayo magkakaso ng perjury case against Trillanes?
Well, meron na kaming recommendations sa kay VP Sara. And ito,
To do so.
ito, sabihin ko lang sa inyo na actually, si PRRD pa lang gusto nang kasuhan tong si Senator Trillanes.
Noon pa.
And ako yung nautusan na buuin tong kasong to. It's just that
Matagal na pala yan.
bago kami mag-file last year, dinala siya sa Hague. So hindi natuloy. So, and of course, yung to bring him home was the priority. So, pinatulog na namin yun. Pero ngayon na ginamit niya na naman yung same...
Under oath.
It's the
same
same.
evidence.
It's the same.
So, meron kaming case build-up ngayon.
Oh, that's exciting.
Oh, pero I mean, yung,
Bloodbath yan.
yung grave misconduct was among the probable cause na na-raise doon sa botohan. How do you think can this be defended? How can you defend VP Sara on this?
Itong grave threats ba?
No, yung,
Yes.
Grave
Yeah,
threats.
grave misconduct based on the grave threats.
Yeah.
Oo.
Para sa akin, kasi kung siseryosohin nila yung alleged threat ni VP Sara, dapat seryosohin din nila yung alleged threat naman kay VP Sara.
Correct.
Kasi yun yung konteksto nun eh. Parang sabi, may threat sa buhay niya, kaya niya sinabi yun. So, whether, yun ang context, kaya ata sinasabi ni Attorney Paul Lim, which is the counsel of VP Sara for
Yes.
that specific
Case.
grave threats case, is spliced, di ba? May sinabi siyang
curated.
ganon. Kasi, hindi ata pinakita yung buong konteksto.
Oh, yung tanong
But
and sagot.
ang
tanong and
natatandaan ko is, so, siyempre may legal debate. Ang natatandaan ko lang is si Chief Legal Counsel ni BBM mismo, bago siya namatay, ang position niya, walang crime committed si VP Sara.
To be
because
fair,
of conditional threat.
Mami Chu, to be fair naman kay VP Sara, no? May condition nga yung sinabi niya. Sabi niya, kung papatayin ako, meron na akong kinausap. Yun ang context talaga.
Yes.
Okay. But of course, kailangan ko din ipasok, syempre, sabi ni Congresswoman Laila de Lima, check natin, at saka na-research ko naman na yan noon eh. Ang sabi ng Supreme Court, a grave threat may or may not be accompanied by a condition. So, even assuming may
Ay, gusto
condition...
kong linawin yan mamaya.
Yeah. Go, attorney. Sinight niya ni Attorney De Lima, ni Laila De Lima, ni Kong Laila De Lima. And multiple Supreme Court cases yan. May or may not be accompanied by a condition, grave threat pa din yan. So, kunwari sa facts man yan, even assuming na may condition talaga, it doesn't make it less of a grave threat. So, ang tanong na lang, impeachable ba yung grave threat? If ever, yun yung dating sa akin.
Please allow me to clarify.
Okay.
No? Ang grave threat po is meron kang tinithreaten using a wrong constituting a crime, di ba? Yung condition, kunyari may condition kang sinabi na bayaran mo ko ng pera. Yun yung condition imposed on another person. Yung condition dito ibang-iba. Ang sinasabi niya, kung papatayin ako, papatayin kita. Ibang-iba po yung condition na yon. So yung sinasabi mong Supreme Court decision is the wrong kind of condition.
Anyway, kaklaro lang kung
Medyo legalistic, Mami Chu.
Yeah, yeah.
Pasensya ka
Pero
na.
it's important. It's
Yeah.
important.
But that's the debate. That's
the
the debate.
condition kasi in grave threat
Mami
is
Chu.
an aggravating circumstance.
Okay.